Let's get down a bit. Oh, that was so not supposed to happen. Hold on.
I was born to be free.
Give it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Come to the back. VIP. Drinks on me. You understand what you're working with? With those hips. Baby smile. Play it, child. Just sexy out. 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 Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Guys, screw the ending. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I got a little bit too excited, man. I got a little bit too excited to see you guys because we are bringing you the fire today. Listen, hello, everybody. First of all, hello. Happy Wednesday. Okay. Can we get a sound check? Do we all hear me? Do we all hear Mr. Bieber? I'm gonna try my best to not ADHD right now because I am multitasking because we got a little surprise today. And continue the music intro and skip to the charts. You want to skip the charts and stay on the music? All right, hold on, guys. I'm gonna be doing something on the spot right now for the very first time, and I'm getting instructions live right now as we speak because we have a special guest for you today. But I gotta just figure this out. Hold on. I'm being guided as we are here. Okay. Open. How window capture. Oh, I know how to do that. I know how to do that. I think. Okay, hold on, everybody. 1 second. We're gonna get to it real quick. But I have a trader that's actually better than me. Let's get to exactly what's going on here. Hold on. You guys shouldn't be able to hear the music anymore, but I could sing for you. In the meantime, hold on. Let me see this. I just wanna hold on. Yo, I think it'll do it. Hold on 1 second, friendos. Okay, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. Okay, hold on. We got a special guest. 1 sec. I have no idea if it's gonna work out well. No, here, you guys can watch an ad in the meantime. There you go. While I do this. What's up, everybody? How is everybody doing? I'm gonna say hello to you all in a second here, I promise. But I'm gonna try my best to make this work right now because I have literally no idea if this is going to work here. I need you. All right, let me stop the music. Let's stop the music. Chat, can you guys give me the pickles if I sound okay? And I'm actually going to need multiple sound tests here in a second because I'm bringing on my guest. And I got to make sure that my guest is guesting. Okay, hold on. Let me pop out chat. Can you hear me? Okay. Let me mute these guys real quick. See if the chat can hear you. Let me bring you back. Guys, can you guys hear me? Chat, can you guys hear me? YouTube friendos, hello. Listen, I have a special guest. Man, you guys know every single day I bring you guys the flavor. But today, I'm not bringing you the flavor. We have a special guest. I'm going to bring her on the screen right now. Hello, everybody. Can you guys... Wait, actually, Randy, can you talk real quick?
Hello, sound check.
Sound check. Guys, we're going to sound check right now. Can you guys let me know if you can hear Miss Randy Hipper is in the chat? We have a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about the charts. We're going to do all that. We got a lot to talk about. But before we do that, let me organize my chat here. I'm sorry. I'm actually a really good host when I know what I'm doing. But I am literally the most technological. Like if you knew. Anyways, doesn't matter. Randy, hello. How are you? Chat, can we all hear Randy?
What's up, fam? Thank you for having me, Gio. How's it going?
It's good. How are you?
I'm doing good. You know, I just got invited to this stream. I want to hear some tunes, maybe some singing from you, and, you know, just vibing and looking at you actually longing the market, which I don't know. Is this a bearish signal? I'm not sure.
I'm long, baby. Let's go. First time ever. Just kidding. Guys, you know we long and we short. You guys can hear her well? Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Emma's in the chat. What's up, Emma? Wow, it's weird being on this side of it. Anyways, yeah, so thank you for coming. Yeah, I came into your stream. I didn't actually think you were going to come, to be honest. I prepared what I was going to prepare. Shouts out to Jew here. I prepared what I was going to prepare, and then I thought you were going to not answer the DM, and then I was going to tell these guys, yo, she didn't answer the DMs as always, and I was going to do it at the end, but I had something prepared, but it was for my giveaway, so the giveaway's at the end. So that means, okay, guys, so we're going to do the giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway, but that means that you guys need to honor the likes, okay? Because every 100 likes we do a giveaway, but we are only at 40 likes. But I'm gonna do the giveaway because I have to, because Randy's here. So cool. Are we good?
Let's do it. Let's give away things.
Okay, while I
excited.
get my giveaway stuff going on, I need you to not need you, please, if you want to. Let us know what you got going on.
All right, sure. So if you guys don't know me, my name is Randy Hipper, also known as Miss Teen Crypto. I'm no longer a teen. I've been in this space since I was 17. I'm now 21. I do all types of content, like educational content, 1 to 2 minute intro to crypto videos. I also go to schools, any age group, middle school, high school, colleges, adults. I've done Bitcoin 101s countrywide. And I've also do like my daily Zest show, 9:45 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, where I do crypto news. I have the Randy Hipper Show, formerly known as the Miss Teen Crypto Show. It's been on for over 2 years, and I've had amazing people like Michael Saylor, CZ Binance, people from CNBC, Fox Business join me on the show to talk about themselves and how they got to where they are now. What else do I do? I also have on the street interviews that I've been doing since 2020. I also do gaming content. I'm supposed to go live in Twitter Spaces in about a half hour to co-host a gaming space. So I'm into every single sector of crypto. So I try to make all the content possible for everyone to get educated and enter the space.
Okay, wow, that is a lot. If you asked me what I do, mine would be literally 1/100th of what you just said. So congrats on all that. It's all downhill
Thank you.
after here because now this is the best collab you've ever had. I'm wearing blue, by the way,
I
and
know you're matching
just
me. How
like
nice.
you asked for, and yeah, okay, guys. So listen, hit the like button, go subscribe to Randy. Mark, you're not a moder. Actually, you know, I'm gonna use a moderator right now.
I can't
Uh,
believe you listened to me, Gio. I'm so shocked.
Listen,
Usually
I
you don't listen to
I
me.
am a gentleman, but I'm gonna tell you this, Randy, because I have this thing prepared and I'm about to do it, but I don't know
Okay.
if you're gonna be able to hear it like properly on the Discord because I don't know if I can make the music play on the Discord. So
Okay.
this is what we're gonna do because you're here in for like you gotta I'm sure what time do you gotta leave? You have your thing at 1:30?
Yeah, around then. If I'm a little late, it's fine.
Okay, okay. So she's breaking rules for me. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna mute you here and I'm gonna ask you to watch me on the YouTube because then
Okay.
you'll have the whole experience, okay? Guys, Mark or whoever, can somebody link to Randy's channel? Guys, go follow Randy. She gives you guys TA. She tells you exactly when to 100x long, and she's a sniper on the chart. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm 5'2 3/4. I'm want to be singing scammer, so don't listen to me. But you know, Randy gives you all the sauce like they say in New York. So go subscribe to her channel. Mark, if you could take off my shades. Okay, well the shades got to go on because we're about to hit a performance. Okay, Randy, I'm gonna mute you for now. Ta for now. Mute.
What's up?
Okay, guys, YouTube people, can y'all hear now? Man, what do you think? What you think, boy? Of course we're gonna sing. Okay, listen, chat. Let me get a sound check. Let me get the audio. We're doing the giveaway early. Okay, I'm doing the giveaway. You guys gotta honor it though, because we do the giveaway every 100 likes. And okay, I should be echoing now. So we do the giveaway every 100 likes, but we're doing it before that, so we gotta hit the likes. We're at, how many likes are we at right now? 55 likes, 98 people. Then we're gonna get straight into the TA. Guys, don't leave, all right? Listen. Here's what we're gonna do. Everybody is gonna do this. We're gonna go to my YouTube. We're gonna go to my previous live stream. Okay, from one day ago. Oh, that was me singing YMCA. Let's go. I forgot about that. That was gas. Okay, we have the echo. Can we hear the music too? We'll hear the music. We'll hear the music. Okay, everybody go to this video right now. Make sure you like the video. And I don't care what you say. You can write whatever you want, but put a city emoji or like a building emoji. I don't care. It has to have a building emoji. If it doesn't have a building emoji, then it is not valid, okay? Got it? Comprende? So everybody go. Drop a like on that video. Drop a comment. It has to have some building in it. I don't care. And while we do that, we'll do the giveaway here in a few minutes. She's catching up. Hold on. These little town blues. All right, you're back on, Randy. You're back. You're back. Listen, my condolences that I put you through that. I don't know, just like something I thought of. But apparently to your sister, it was a 7th grade chorus show. So I hope I won the competition. But there you go. I am coming in 3 weeks. May 3rd. May 3rd. I come to New York all the time. All the time. I have a wedding actually. Not a wedding, like an event. I'm emceeing and DJing. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I No, you know what? I probably will because I do that. You know, I DJ MC weddings and stuff, and lately I've just been kind of getting on the mic, and it doesn't always sound as horrid as today did, but whatever. I just work here. And so yeah, I mean, it'll be a good time. It'll be fun. We hate New York, but it'll be fun. They can't hear you. Why not? Oh, there we go.
I don't.
Guys, she lives in New York. That's basically what she was saying, and she was asking me why I'm going to New York. There, they can hear you now, 100%.
Yeah. I was asking like what kind of event he's got going on, and it seems like as though he's DJing and he's maybe gonna do a live performance. But the thing is, like, I won't even be able to hear it. So like, what's gonna happen now?
Are you?
Oh wait.
No, they're good now. You guys are good now, right?
Okay, they're good now.
Yeah,
Okay.
you guys are good now. No, are you fishing for an invite to my event? Is that why you're saying you won't be able to
No,
hear it?
no, I don't fish for anything. I
What?
just ask what's going on, and like you could tell me or you could not, and that's it. That's pretty
Guys,
much
she's
it. Like,
fishing. Okay, do you want me to live stream it?
I mean, yeah, I wouldn't be against that.
Okay. We are
I
going
guess
to-
I'm still muted.
No, there's no way she's still muted, guys. Don't play with me right now. I can see it. Can you talk for a sec?
Yeah. Test.
I can see that you guys are lying. Y'all are lying to me. You're either hella delayed or you're lying. She's mute. There we go.
Oh wait, yeah. They're delayed.
There we go.
They're delayed. We're good.
Are we?
Never mind.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay, well, listen.
Yeah, they were
Randy,
fooling me.
I gotta give the people what they want because we're pumping and I have the thumbnail and whatever. So I am going to either wait. Don't look at me like that. Hold on. Wait a second.
No, I'm just getting kicked out, guys. So once you are able to hear me, I'm leaving already.
I'm not even kicking you out. I was about to say.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
either gonna ask you to give them the sauce on what you think is going on. Hello, we're Market Cipher team. Like, let's give some Market Cipher sauce to them. Or yeah, I mean that's what I was. Jeez.
Oh, I thought you were kicking me off. Okay. Well, I don't know. I think things are doing pretty okay. I think it's pretty bullish that we're kind of consolidating around 69K, holding really keep defending that 67.6, which was our highest daily candle close of 2021. Seems like we're kind of bouncing off that 69. So I'm hoping that carries us over to at least 71.5.
71.5? You guys
Specifically, 71,464 is the target I'm looking for, just because we've had wick highs and closures at that level. And then the next resistance I have beyond that is like 72.2.
Do you think that we're going to go to all-time high?
Eventually, yeah, that's inevitable. I don't doubt that. I think a lot of people are doubting the strength of Bitcoin this cycle, and I'm kind of on that boat where everyone is saying that Bitcoin can't do like a 5x. That's where I'm kind of like, but that's where I kind of go like that other route where maybe I think it can, considering that there's more Bitcoin being bought already per day than being mined. And then you have the halving coming in, cutting that in half. So the supply crunch is real. There's only a few million in Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges, if that now. And obviously you have millions of people in the world, only a few million Bitcoin to go around. There's just over 19 million mined. And yeah, there's going to be a supply shock. So I think people are going to run for Bitcoin. There's going to be a battle OTC for it where people are going to be paying, like, let's say Bitcoin's 100 grand, people OTC will be paying 300 just to get it. So I think that's pretty much what's going to happen next. And then the next question is what's after Bitcoin? So.
Okay, I literally tweeted 3 hours ago saying can't decide if Bitcoin is going, or can't decide if Bitcoin, or if believing Bitcoin's going to 100K or believing in the tooth fairy is worse. How do you feel about that?
I think I don't doubt that Bitcoin could go to 100K, but let's say it doesn't for right now, and it kind of like runs up and stops out and has a little bit of like a few flat months. I think that's definitely possible, but I think that the tooth fairy is like, I don't think the tooth fairy really has anything to do with it. I think like literally you could believe in whatever you want to believe. If you like a lot of people last bull market where I was really creating Miss Team Crypto, I had family members coming up to me saying that Bitcoin will never go to 20 again. It was around 11. It went to 20, came back down. They were like, oh yeah, I made a mistake. And then not even that, they didn't even admit that, but they were like, oh yeah, but it's gonna not go back to 20 again, and told me it was never going to $50,000. Then it went to 50, then it went to 60, then it went to 69, and obviously did that 70 to 85% retrace that it typically does do. And it always goes back to all-time highs after that and surpasses it. So at that point, we have surpassed all-time high. We have the halving. So this 4-year cycle BS is out the window, which I've been saying for quite a while. And what everyone says is going to happen, it typically doesn't, especially in the way that people are like, the top for this cycle is going to be 150, 175. Like, how do you know that? Nobody knows that. So
are you saying it won't go to 150, 175, or it could?
Oh, I think it could. In my mind, I think it could probably go beyond that, just because people are saying that 150 and 175 is the top. But at the same time, like, it could obviously go the other way. Whatever, I think it goes upon the consensus at the time. Like, if we're at like 70, like we hit all-time highs again, where's the sentiment at? And if you think about it, we're at all-time highs basically right now, and retail is not in yet. The FOMO from retail is not here like it was last cycle. So what price level is going to incite that FOMO? And that's kind of where I think we take off from that level upwards.
So do you
when
think
people start to FOMO in?
Okay, so I'm like,
Retail.
I don't want to call myself the crypto villain, because I wouldn't say I'm the villain, but I love shorting, you know that. And and I think that we could see a 30K Bitcoin again before we see 100. What do you think about that?
I think post halving, because if you look at other halvings, like Litecoin halvings, like all the halvings for Litecoin haven't been that good price wise, and it just like dips down. And where Bitcoin previously, the halvings have, had it flat, maybe dipped a little bit and then goes up. I think probably Bitcoin could take a big dip. I think we had a really nice run up, but at the same time, where it's holding is extremely bullish. And the fact that I don't think the selling pressure is that high here. I think the only people really offloading are people like, Grayscale and all of these ETF bros. Other than that, I really don't think there's that much selling pressure on the market for it to maybe go that low. Do I think there could be a big dip? I wouldn't be surprised. It's not something that would throw me off, because all these market makers, they want to just liquidate people and wash everyone out, so that way they buy it all and it goes back up to where they want it to go.
Okay. So I think it could go to 30K. I think that a lot of people will panic if and when it goes to 30K. And that is where we are going to have our rest of the bull run, we'll call it. I think that the cycle being broken, because the cycle's broken, is not actually a good thing. I think it's a very bad thing. And I think a lot of people in crypto are saying, okay, super cycle this, super cycle that, which, I mean, the selling pressure, you're right, is not that high here. That's why I'm currently long. I'm currently targeting the all-time highs. I made a video about it. I've been talking about it on the live streams. But I do think that if we get a black swan event, which right now the charts are pretty primed looking for that black swan event, then people will really panic at 30K if we get there. And like, I just think it's been up only for quite some time. And, we need somewhat of a decent pullback. I don't mean like, a wick on the weekly time frame because of the ETF narrative and then now the halving narrative. I think like, eventually like a bigger correction is coming. And I just, on Twitter, like, I'm seeing people all over, Bitcoin's never going to 50K again. Bitcoin's never going to 60K again.
No.
I'm like, yo, you guys are crazy. Like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, but I think the way Bitcoin has moved this time is very different than previous cycles, where there were like $1,000 candles and like we were just flying. And then when we flew, we had to come back and had like these really dramatic pullbacks. Whereas this time it's kind of like going up, sustaining, then going and making another move. And I think like a big point that I've seen kind of be almost a trigger for Bitcoin is around like 52.1, where like the previous, like, let's see, 2021, you were kind of like messing around with that level. You found support there, pretty much brought you to that all-time high around that time, which is around 63, 64K. We retraced off that, and then later on we saw that level again, 52, around October of 2021, when we ran up to those all-time highs. We lost support when we came back down off that 52. So I think, and if you look at 52 now from February, it's kind of where we consolidated a little bit before ripping up into the 60s. So I think that's probably a significant level if there was a big pullback.
Yeah, I definitely agree that 53 will be a place to look for trades for sure. I mean, like, look,
Yeah.
like I said, I don't want to be known as the villain, like the crypto villain, but you know, I'm believe I'm a realist. You know, I'm long and short 95% of the time. Gig along right now, not in any shorts right now. So surprising to you and your audience. The
It was
villain is,
surprising. I was shocked. You're like, you're longing. I'm like, is this the time that we got a short now? I was a little bit worried about the market.
was
but,
that the
you know.
top signal when I said we're long? That was the top.
I mean, I want to say it's an inverse Kramer move, but
Oh man, that is funny. That is funny. All right, what do you think about Doggy Coin? I'm also gig along on Doge right now.
Doge, I think, is that one thing that I don't think anyone can stop. But the one thing is that it has that infinite supply. I think it's having a little bit of a scaling issue in terms of like its latest upgrades. Because if you were looking on Coinbase and things like that, if you wanted to transfer Doge, they were saying things like 6 hours, and that was because of the core upgrade. But I'm bullish on Doge. I think it has a really big community, and the community with Dogecoin is so different. 2 weeks ago, I went to a Dogecoin pizza party at Williamsburg Pizza. If anyone's in New York, they have multiple locations. Please look them up. You go there and you pay with Dogecoin and you get 25% off your pizza. And I did a video there. It blew up, and it was absolutely awesome. Like, the Doge community is just here for it. So I think it's something people choose. More people know about Dogecoin than Bitcoin. I go to high schools. When I go and teach younger kids about it, they're always talking about Dogecoin. So I think Dogecoin appeals more to people, which is why I'm bullish on it. I always say I don't really care about price. I care about tech. It is merged by Litecoin, and it has a lot of hope in terms of security. So, and Doginals, and, you know, the fact that even Elon Musk loves Doge, and he was saying the one thing about NFTs he didn't like is that it's not on the blockchain directly. When we see inscriptions on Doge are like doing crazy things over there. So I'm bullish on Doge for the sake of irony, technology, and just it probably ending up being known as the people's currency. So yeah, I think that's probably, I'm bullish on it.
Well, if you're right and Doge gets anywhere as near as it did last cycle, Geo is quitting YouTube. I don't need it anymore. Peace out. I'm retiring. I'm going to like Bora Bora or Bali by myself, and see you guys later. You guys can take over the channel. You guys can stream for me if that ever happens.
So what's happening with Cancun, Geo? Like, I know you're talking about Cancun a lot.
Yeah, so I had this idea to get all of the Market Cipher creators together, because why not? Like, I just think people in crypto are so weird. And I talk about this all the time. I think people are so weird. Like, they're all behind cartoon like profile pictures, and their name is, you know, bob.eth, like yes offense if that is your name, like, you know, like that's your handle, whatever. And I don't know, I just like, I'm such a personable person. Like, I think my audience connects with me because of that. I'm such a big personality, like, and I just had this idea to get all the Market Cipher creators kind of together. I'm relatively new to the team, I guess. Like, I only started streaming a year ago, and I only got sponsored by Market Cipher like 3 months ago. So I had to make some noise to get on their radar, but I did that. And then I just like, I don't know, I thought it would be like a cool idea. And the funny thing is, by the way, Nick, if you're watching this, I don't know if you are, I don't have my chat up, but shouts out to Nick. He's an absolute G. Anyway, I had an idea, like kind of like not a vision, or not a fantasy, but like a vision of like when I first started streaming. No, for real, listen, but like it was bigger than what's potentially happening. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna start streaming. I've been using Market Cipher, like I'm a sniper, so I'm gonna stream, I'm gonna become a creator, whatever. Actually, it wasn't even planned once it started along the way. And then I had like a vision. I was like, okay, we're gonna do a Market Cipher trip. Like, we're gonna rent out a yacht, 100-foot yacht, like for a week, 100 grand. Market Cipher is gonna cover it. we're all gonna have a good time and like get to, I don't know, I just like thought that would be like a fun thing. And it's so not crypto. Like crypto's all, sorry, but in my experience anyways, it's all like degen and like it's just like bad energy, like for me anyways, like especially, I don't know about your world, but in my trader world, it's like people are condescending, people are like, oh, how's your shorts going, and like hiding behind their cartoon, like what. So it's just like, it's just not good. And I'm here loud and singing and saying what I want, and like you guys get to know me through the screen. So I just think like I'm so different from what everyone does or everyone is, like even on X there's so many anonymous accounts and whatever. And I just thought it'd be cool to like to go on a trip. So I didn't even talk to them about it. I'm like, guys, we're going to Cancun in June. Nobody's saying no. I'm giving you the details. And the funny thing, so nobody even answered me, but Nick actually is like, yo, I'm kind of down. I'm like, let's go. So I sent him.
Dude,
the
Nick is
details.
awesome though. I love him.
Man, Nick is the best. Like he is so funny.
He is.
He is so funny.
He's inspirational, he's always out on the mountains, getting his fresh airs and things. Like he's a really good dude. And I think Face is awesome too. Like they watch out for me big time. So I appreciate them. Like they've done a lot for me.
Yeah, you're like the market Cipher little sister.
No, I really do love them. Hold on. I do love them. They're so cute. Like
you
they're
got
really
your
like the
merch.
best. Is this on correctly? I
Yeah,
think it
you're
is.
good.
I think
I didn't
yeah.
get my merch in yet. Otherwise I would rock that.
Yeah,
instead of this bum
dude,
hat.
Face sent me like a bunch of merch when I first got on there, and this was like the one thing that like I really love the most about it. And I just think it's the best. I never let it leave the house because I'm like, I'm gonna break it or something. I'm very clumsy, Gio. I'm
Break
very
it. How are you gonna break a hat?
I don't know. I'll figure it out. If there's a way to break something, like I will do it. Like
Well,
it's so bad. Like
if it makes you feel better, I am also very clumsy and I fall down the stairs like once a week. So
I don't know how when we're so short and close to the floor already. Like, how are we
I
falling
know,
so much? I don't
better
know.
center of gravity or whatever. Okay, listen, I'm gonna ask you a non crypto related question. What did you think about
Okay.
the solar eclipse thing? Do you care about that or like no?
Very anticlimactic. Like it gets darker in New York when it rains than it does during the eclipse. It was just like a little bit of a shadow. It wasn't even anything significant in my opinion. I just think like, I think there's a deeper meaning to everything. I don't really know what the deeper meaning of this one was yet, but yeah, I'm a little bit suspect of certain things that were happening during the eclipse. But yeah, I don't know what it was like in Canada. I heard upstate New York really got a good view, but not in the city.
It was cloudy here. We have the same weather as you, so it was not good.
Yeah,
It's
it was kind of lame, honestly.
Yeah, basically in short, like super anticlimactic here. I think people are crazy for spending money on glasses. Not about the money, like who cares? Probably like $2, $3, but it's like that's what you got going on today. Like, I don't know. I feel sorry for you if that's what you got going on today.
I just don't understand. Like everyone was outside, like buying like these glasses and looking up at the sun. Like, how do you know like what these glasses are made of if it actually makes a difference? Like, oh, don't look up, but look up. Like, come on, man. Like, it's just really weird. Something about it was just very odd to me.
Yeah, like people spent thousands of dollars to get hotels in Niagara because Niagara apparently had the perfect view. Like it would be not even like a little bit to the side, like it was dead center. So they spent thousands of dollars to stay in Niagara hotels. And I'm like, what are you doing, bro? Like,
that's kind of lame.
It looks the same as the moon looks at night, but you can actually look at the moon. So like, what's going on?
I mean, you could always look at the sun, right? Like everyone's always looking up at the sun, and all of a sudden, because the moon is going in front of it, we can't look at it anymore. Like, come on, man. Like, I don't know. It's just very shady, very weird. And yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Just me. I don't know. I have like, sometimes I have my tinfoil hat on and things, but I feel like having the tinfoil hat usually leads you in like a really good direction. But yeah, I don't know what the deeper meaning of this was. It was just very weird that they were like, "Oh, everyone go look, but don't go look."
Yeah, it seems like
what's really happening.
Seems like another way for them to control you. That's what it seems like to me.
Yeah, because like how do you know like it was really gonna damage your eyes or something like that? And then like you have all these people all over the world that were like, "Oh my God, they said on the news that some eclipse was gonna happen. Let me go like change my whole life to go look at this thing." And I just feel like it was really a testament to how easy it was to kind of get people so into something and distracted for a whole day. Like, we always see things that just take over the internet for 1 or 2 days and it just distracts you. Like, what's really going on that you need to be distracted by, like, or distracted for? I don't know.
No, 100%. I think people are way too distracted, way too easily, myself included. Like I have ADHD, but
The
I'm at
attention
least
span is like,
yeah, but
you
I'm at
know.
least like aware enough to be like, okay, like what's going on? Like why like these people are sheep. Like why are you, getting hotel rooms in Niagara? Like that's kind of wild, kind of
I
crazy.
mean, just like go to Niagara Falls to see the water. I don't know. Like, I just don't think it's worth it for the eclipse. But listen, everyone has like, their opinions. I posted a poll on my Instagram story and it was like 50-50 of people thinking it was so cool and people thinking it was like so dumb. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't really think this was anything.
Yeah, you're too nice. You say everyone has their own opinion. I say that too, but then I say your opinion's wrong if it's not with mine. So you're a little bit too nice. I'm a little bit more harsh. So
I mean, I'm more harsh to you than the
yeah,
normal
you're very
person,
harsh to
but
me. You are very
yeah.
harsh to me.
I think you deserve it sometimes. But I know you just
I
work here and things, but I'm telling you, like, you have to learn how to do your job, you know?
Well, listen, the tech stuff, like if it wasn't for my mods, RIP to my Discord, I'll tell you that.
Well, like I would offer my services, but I know you like to be left on red in DMs, so it's kind of hard for me to like answer when I know you want to be left on red. But like you could try to ask me or
The
something.
claws are
Maybe I'll help you.
live. The claws are coming out live. Okay, well listen, it is 1:40. Are you good? Like I don't want you to be late.
I'm technically in the space as a co-host right now, so I'm like cheating
Okay,
on them a little bit.
so you're doing some. All right.
Yeah, but they're waiting on me. I do have to hop in there, but yeah,
Okay,
I
well,
don't know. I was just enjoying trolling you a little bit. It was fun for
all
me.
right. Well, I'm glad that you enjoyed that. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you do your thing. Um, I'm gonna ask you one last question, and then
Okay.
go do your thing. Okay. So I had Alex O Crypto. We
Oh, I
did.
love him.
Yeah, he's great. He lives like half an hour away from me.
He's so cute.
We're like gonna go
He's gonna have
to.
a baby.
I know. We're gonna go to our amusement park that's like near our houses together, and we're gonna vlog it. And
Go
you
to
guys
an
are.
amusement park.
No, we're literally gonna do that. Like we're literally going to. It's just like a fun
That's
thing.
so
Why not?
amazing.
Why not?
Yeah, I'm with it. I'm with it. Go ride a roller coaster or something.
All
Yeah.
right. So I asked Alex back when Bitcoin was like, I don't even know, 35K, 40K, 42, something like that. I'm like,
Yeah.
listen, what do you think the cycle low is going to be? He said 30, whatever. I don't know. I said 42218 or 42, or sorry, 24418. $24,418. This was back when it was at like 40K. Okay. And he's like, whoa. And I was like, yeah. Anyways, my question for you, Randy, Miss Hipper, before you leave, is what do you think the exact dollar amount high is going to be for like pre next bear market? So whether that's you think now when we have our retracement, that's it, crypto's over, everything is burning to the ground, go home, sell everything, or whether you do think it's going to get to 150K. But I don't want a range. I want an exact dollar amount.
How can you give an exact dollar amount where we don't even feel where the top is yet? Because you have to do like 75, 80 off the top. So if like,
Just
yeah,
give me
I
a
would
number. Just give me
say
a number.
I don't know. I can't be held accountable for
You're
these
not held
things. Like,
accountable.
if people go back and be like, "Oh, Randy said duh duh duh,"
This
like,
is
no, I'm not giving
okay.
people a reason to say anything.
Do you want me to give the disclaimer? You're not gonna like it, but I can give the disclaimer right before it.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, go for it,
all right,
yeah.
okay, guys. Disclaimer: all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio and Randy are incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singers, and she's a wannabe comedian, by the way, and definitely not financial advisors. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the Earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Everything Randy's about to say right now is a complete lie. Don't listen to her. She has no idea what she's talking about. You're gonna listen to a woman that's 5 foot tall. Come on, what's wrong with you? Okay, Randy, what's
Yeah, right.
what's the Bitcoin high for this entire cycle?
I don't know the high. That I can't tell you because I think we have real good potential to just like go absolutely bananas to the point where people don't even understand what's going on. So I believe in that. But let's say we only hit like let's say 200K. I would based off of like the last few like times Bitcoin has hit all-time high and come down, like the last time we hit like 69K, we came down to, kind of just below the all-time high from the previous cycle of like 20K-ish. So I would say probably around like where we're at now could be possibly the low, and maybe I would say 45. Like I would say that number 52 kind of stands out to me, but again, it depends on where the top is and where I feel the top is, and I would go 75-80% off of that. But I would go just below previous all-time highs from the cycle before, which would be below a little bit below 69K.
Okay, so what's the absolute?
If I had to say something,
what's the absolute bananas high? Like, give me a
I
number.
don't see that. I don't
I'm not
know.
gonna
I
let you
don't
off the
know.
hook
You
on
can't put
this.
me on the spot like
I'm
that.
not gonna
I
let
don't
you
know.
off the hook. What is the high? You want me to tell you mine?
A zillion. What is it?
I actually don't even know what mine is. I haven't thought about it. I don't know.
690,000. That's what it
I
is.
don't really know if we're gonna break 100K, to be honest with you.
690,000.
That's your guess? 690? Oh, because
for
of the
for a
69?
nice 10x from the last
But I want an
from the
exact,
last
like,
top.
exact number. Like, I don't want 69,
Si-
600.
why can't I do 690,000 for the culture?
You
I
think it's
don't understand.
You think it's gonna go exactly 690K?
People are always saying you can't do a 10x from where we were. What if we do?
No, I'm not saying you can't. You could do
Yeah.
anything. Listen, if
Yeah.
there's anything that anyone has ever learned or should learn, if you're here for the
690K.
very first time and you don't know what's going on, anything can happen. We could be at 690K tomorrow. No, probably not tomorrow, but we could be at 690K.
No, not
We could
tomorrow.
also be at $69. Okay, anything is possible. But I don't know, man. I want to know the exact. So 690,000 is your exact high, is what you're saying.
Yeah, for culture.
Look at her like wiggling her way out of the question by just giving a meme. Okay, well I'll give you mine, which I haven't.
420,000, is that better? Or I don't know.
I haven't thought of. No, we don't. I don't do that. I get seizures from that. But anyways, no. This is okay. My guess, which I haven't thought of it. So my low, I guess, was 24418. My high of the cycle. Okay, I mean, I'm talking the next bear market. This is gonna be the high. My guess is 94,277. Guys, you heard it here first. I'm 5'2" 3/4. Don't listen to me. I don't know anything.
Oh,
What did I just say? 94,277. I don't know. I don't think we're
yeah.
gonna, I don't see. I don't know. 9427. We could break 100K, but it's gonna be so hard to break 100K.
I mean, yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of resistance and a lot of FUD leading up to it, a lot of like ETF drama. There's going to be like everything. They're going to try to throw the kitchen sink at crypto. But honestly, it's going to come a point where there's going to be probably a legal battle in the United States that's going to lead to like regulatory clarity. And then people are going to be like, oh, we're politicians, we're old and dumb, and we actually can't regulate the space. It's physically impossible to do that. So now we just have to embrace it. And once that happens, like, all bets are off for crypto. Like, all bets are off. So yeah, and we already have all these other people that are involved, the banks and whatever. And I don't think Bitcoin, they're gonna let it go that low because they have their hands in it now, whereas before they really didn't.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I hope I'm wrong. Like, I hold it. I just, like, when people say 150K or 200K or 2 million by June, like, I saw that somewhere.
2 million by June. That's ridiculous.
Like, I don't know. I just don't know where people get the number from. Like, how could you guess it? Like, how could you know that?
No, you don't. And that's the thing about crypto is that, like, in Bitcoin, is that if everybody thought something was going to happen, it's not. When, like, we had last cycle, everyone was like, we're going to 100 freaking laser eyes. And then we topped at 69K. And then we went all the way down around 20. And people were swearing, 15 it was. People were swearing 10K, 8K, 7K, even 3 I heard. I heard 3,500, someone said on my show. And then when that happens, I'm like, and I was even on a bunch of shows around the blockchain at the time, and people were saying, is this the bottom? I said, I don't know no one has a crystal ball, but there's no selling pressure. And everyone was like, no way. People called me crazy. And then, we went to 20. People thought it was a trap. No, went to 30, 40, 50. So I think like there's a lot of potential here. Especially because all these 4-year maxis were like, and a lot of them have not said and came out and been like, yo, my bad. But, that's a whole other story. That's how crypto Twitter trading works. But, everyone said 4-year cycle. And I was saying way before, like, what if we do break all-time highs before the 4-year cycle, before the halving? What is everyone going to say then? Will the retail sentiment be there? And now we're seeing that we did hit all-time highs, but the retail is not here yet. And that, again, leads me to my question, what is the price that retail comes in? And I think probably around 80 to 100K is where people are probably going to be like, oh, shit. Oh, poop. Like, we really need to get in that. I know people aren't used to that. I'm caught out there.
Wow, guys, you heard it.
I'm caught out there. But yeah, like people, Yeah, so there's gonna be a clip of that. But yeah, that's basically like where my mind's at. There's gonna be a point where people are like, okay, where your friends, your old teachers, like, and all these plebs start calling you and they're like, oh wait, I made a mistake. I'm not mad at you anymore. Let's talk about Bitcoin.
Yeah, well, people
Yeah,
call me crazy literally every single day for many reasons,
they
not just crypto related. So I mean, you know, I
hopefully it's good crazy, you know? It's good to be crazy nowadays because if you're normal, like the normal person is considered like someone that doesn't think, is mundane and wants to do that 9 to 5, like, you know, and just be a slave for the rest of their life. Where in crypto, yeah, you can have your 9 to 5. There are 9 to 5s within crypto, but you're in a space that's revolutionizing things and you're taking part in something that could take you out of that 9 to 5 and break you out of that matrix, so to say. But yeah, I'm really bullish on that. I'm bullish on everything. I'm so happy to be in this space. I'm blessed to be a part of something where I know we're going to change the world. Like trading is becoming mainstream now, where like there were no traders before. Like, and what you're doing basically did not exist, but you're one of the first to do it. So I think, like, you know, being a part of crypto in any which way or form, Discord mod, buying crypto, watching streams, just taking part in the revolution is what's important. Besides the price, we talk about price, I talk about charts, you talk about charts. But what matters is like being your own bank and having money that belongs to you, and, you know, kind of taking the power away from these people that have had it for so long. So yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, we definitely are. Like, I wake up every single day and I thank God for what I have. Like, I never, a year ago, I mean, I started the channel a year ago. I didn't even mean to. Like, I was in another Discord and people had no idea what was going on with Market Cipher. And I'm like, yo, guys, you want me to make a tutorial for you? Like, and that's literally how the channel started. Like, I had 8 people that I pulled from another Discord, and then I just did a live stream on Discord, and I just, on my, like, I created my own, and that's I just uploaded it on YouTube. And that was my first video, was like a complete Market Cipher tutorial. And I mean, everyone says your first video like doesn't do well or whatever. I don't know, it has like 20,000 views or 25,000
That's
views.
beautiful.
Yeah, like it did really well. And so I didn't expect to be here. Before, I used to just trade I used to just trade and sing by myself. Nobody knew that I was 5'2 3/4. Nobody knew that I was a wannabe singer and non-financial advisor. It was a sad time. But you know, the normie thing, I mean, normies go watch the solar eclipse. Like, we don't do that. We don't do that here.
I was making a video. Like I was literally filming content as this was happening. And I was like, you know, showing it to my dad and my sister. I was like, oh, do you guys like this? And yeah, we were like, oh, we're like eclipsing right now. Like it really didn't even matter. We were just looking outside. There was like absolutely nothing going on. But like at least you're here now and you get to bless us with your vocals every day. And I do happen to sing on my show, but I can't say it's as good as yours. So I don't know. I
Well,
guess I'm just number 2 in that category, I guess. I don't know.
the singing is either a blessing or condolences, depending on how you. Sometimes it comes out good. I don't know. Like sometimes I play it back.
Sometimes it comes out
Yeah,
good.
no.
That's so funny.
Sometimes I play it back and I'm like, damn, like that was ass. Like what the hell was that? Like I don't even know what that was. But sometimes I'm like, all right, okay, I got that. And obviously we clip the good ones. Like we hide the bad ones.
Yeah.
We clip the good ones. But you know what? In my head,
Yeah.
it sounds good. Like whatever. I just work here. Okay, don't ask my boss.
No, you do work here. You post on Instagram, and I know Market Cipher reposted you singing on their Instagram story, and I was like, wow, like Gio's like making it, like his vocals are making it right now, and
Yeah.
everyone's seeing it. Like this is just so beautiful. Like I'm happy for you,
My-
and I think your brand is very unique. And I'll say this publicly. I'll be nice to you publicly for now, because you know, this won't happen much often. But I will say that your brand is very unique and it's very different than all the other traders in crypto, where like, you know, everyone has their own style and things, but you add like a nice party flavor to it that I think usually charts can be boring, and you're trying to make them not boring, which I really like commend, because it's not easy to do that, especially because it is something that's kind of like niche and nerdy, but it's something that's, like I said, is becoming mainstream, and you're like being one of the first people to do it is cool, and to make a name for yourself is cool. So
Well,
that's my one nice thing for you today.
well, thank you. I appreciate it. My channel's kind of going through like a not kind of going through, it's been going through an identity crisis. It doesn't know if it's trading or money or charts or singing, or doesn't know what it is. But
It could be everything.
yeah, it's just like a whole entertainment hub that I got going on here. So we'll see. I don't know. Things are good, you know, things are looking up. And yeah, it's fun. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm happy for you. Keep getting after it. I'm happy for you. And I know you're gonna hit 10,000 subscribers soon, which is gonna be awesome. And just making the charts fun. But I think Emma's correct. Emma in the chat said I think she needs a song to leave to. I think like I need one last like little
One
bop
song to
before I
leave
head
to.
out.
What are we? Okay,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
gotta take you off
My
screen for a second right now. But what are we leaving to?
I don't know. Like
So don't you dare
you're the
look
singer.
back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said don't hold. Do we like that song? Shut up and
Yeah,
dance with me. That's a banger.
yeah. I like that one. I need a little bit of a tune. But you don't have to play any music. You could just sing like just give me like a little bit of
So
a
don't you
verse,
dare
and I
look
can have a.
back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said don't hold it back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. There you go. Bella ciao.
Wow.
Una mattina. I think I like ya. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao. Emma saying no.
Wow.
Seppellire, you're coming with me. Baby girl, it's you and I. Just call me Rio. You'll be my Tokyo. It's going down, going down, going down. Did you watch Money Heist?
No, I didn't.
Oh, then that would have been a line if you knew Money Heist. Okay, you have to watch
No,
Money
no,
Heist
I
now. That's your homework, and then go back and
oh, I have
rewatch the
homework
clip.
now?
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
did this
gosh.
dance festival in 5th grade.
Yeah, the dance like ooh, shut up and dance with me. Yeah,
Oh,
Emma did that
really?
like our elementary school used to do something called a dance festival when things were like cool and stuff. And basically they would have like each class like practice, and then they dance with the whole grade in the schoolyard, and the parents come watch, and that was a song that the kids danced to.
That's
It
a
used to be really cute.
that's a banger. Mark Dutch likes the Bee Gees. Mark Dutch, do you want me to sing to you, bro? Do you want to hop on stream
I like
after?
the Bee Gees.
Do you wanna hop on after Miss Randy Hipper leaves here? You want me to sing to you, brother?
Alexandra G is correct. The elevator move is the rage. I agree. But thank you for your tunes, Gio. If you guys are interested, I go live at 9:45 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you guys want to hang out with me, and I do charts, but again, I sing too, but it's not as good as Gio. So I'm sorry, but you guys will be disappointed on that. But apparently, I'm a wannabe comedian, even though I thought I was one. But according to Gio, I'm not. So I'm working on that too.
You did have me laugh this morning. That one thing. That was the first funny thing you ever said. But yeah.
One fun. You know what? You have admitted to me before that I was funny, and then you go and say publicly that, oh, I only made you laugh once. We all know that's a lie, but that's fine. This is why we don't trust. We verify in this space. I have verifiable proof that he has laughed more than once. But that's fine. Let
No,
the
what do we
people
always say,
believe what they
Randy?
believe.
I just work here. What do I know? Guys, this was Randy
Yeah.
Hipper. Everybody go follow her. Go subscribe to her. Even though she doesn't follow me on anything, but go and do that because I am a gentleman. And yeah, I mean, pop in on her streams, drop the pickle emoji so she knows that I sent you, and all of the things.
All
Cool?
of the things. Yes, guys, make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. There's 7 more likes until 100. You better get him 100 zesty likes. Thank you, Gio. I appreciate you for right now, maybe not later. But if you need anything, let me know. Bye, community. You guys are great in the Discord, too. I see you guys out there. Have a good one, guys. Stay zesty. Peace.
Cancun in June. See you later.
Cancun in June. Cancun in June. Bye.
See you later. All right, guys. That was, first of all, didn't expect that to happen. I literally didn't. None of that was planned. So how are my interview skills? Oh, you guys were not supposed to see that. Luckily, there was nothing there. Okay. Guys, okay, we got to actually, for real, talk about thing now, okay? We got to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin. But before we do that, it is way too quiet for my liking. We need some tunes up in here as we do. All right. Now we can play catch up on the chart. All right, guys, listen. Luckily for you, hold on. All right, boys, we gotta get a sound check again. Okay, let's talk about what the heck is going on here, guys. I apologize. I did not expect it to be that long, but that was kind of fire. Make sure you go subscribe to Randy, friend of the channel, of course. And we're gonna vlog Cancun in June. Let's get it. Okay, so listen. This morning. First of all, let me start here. Okay, let me just start here. This morning at one. This morning at, where's my YouTube channel? At 10:46 a.m., I posted this thumbnail. I'm quiet? Don't tell me that I'm quiet. Am I quiet? Am I quiet or are we good? The Wizard of Oz. That is so funny, bro. Yeah. Back to making money, bro. Back to making money. Hold on. I gotta get organized here. Damn. Okay. First of all, everybody in the chat, hello. Welcome. I'm glad that you're all here. I didn't get to say hello to you, but I promise hello each and every single one of you. Shout out to Nonstop Time. We are back in business, baby. Let's get it going. I need a sound check. Do we sound good? Side quest complete. What's up, brother? Happy Wednesday. How are you, man? How you doing? Listen, while you guys let me know if I sound well or sound good or whatever the right word is here, we got to talk about this. Listen, at 10:46 a.m., I posted the thumbnail that said CPI fake out. Okay, what time was it at 10:46? It was obviously 10:46, stupid, which was how long ago? This was, in terms of price, 2% ago, give or take. Okay, from where we are right now, 1.5% ago. But nonetheless, I told you guys that it was potentially a CPI fake out that we had going on here at the lows. And we're going to talk about why I thought that. We're going to talk about why why I was confident enough to post that thumbnail, where I think we might be headed next, and everything else. So before we begin, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Every single day I teach you on this channel why the market moves the way that it does. Today, we had a little bit of a different intro to the show. I see we got... How is it low, bro? How is the volume low? Okay, is it better? Is the volume better? I should be like mad loud right now. Oh, you know what? Maybe I need to exit this. Is it better now? Are we cool? Let me know if we're good now. Are we good now? Mic check. Mic test. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Let me know if we're chilling, guys. I'm gonna bring the screen back in just a second. I gotta make sure my Discord doesn't open up shit that y'all ain't supposed to see. Okay. So we're gonna talk about why I was confident in that move. Why was I confident in that move? Why did I expect it to go higher? Why was I confident enough to post a thumbnail? And why you guys should hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so that you guys can get these notifications, especially if you're not in the Discord. If you are in the Discord, click on the link. Or if you're not in the Discord, the link is in the description down below. I also give my updates there in real time, which will very much so help you out a little bit. Oh, he's trolling? Okay, I didn't know. I gotta make sure you guys can hear me. Otherwise, like, I'm gonna be out here losing my voice for literally nothing. Okay, let's talk about what's going on here. First of all, first things first. Bitcoin had a little bit of a dump right now. If you can see this little box here, it literally came. This line wasn't here, but it literally came. How many dollars is this? How many dollars? Let's see. It literally came $19.5 off the bottom. Okay, we came 19.5. I was off by $19.5 on Discord. First of all, does anyone understand how like sniper you need to be for that to happen? Second of all, let me just make sure my positions are good. What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Okay, so what's up right now? BTC? Let me see. Let me check my longs. Are we good? Are we still chilling? Doggy's doggying. All right, cool. Okay, so we were off by $19.5. Why was I looking at this level? And, you know, how can you benefit from being here if you're new here? I'm sure a lot of new people are here because of Randy. So if you are new here, hello. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I want to give a big shout out to my VIP members because we have been sniping the damn market, okay? Look at this video. Look at this video, okay? Look at this video that we got going on here. I'm gonna, hold on. Look at this video. We're gonna pause. We're gonna mute it. We're gonna mute it. I want to show you guys in the video right now. Look, this was earlier this morning, okay? You see how the box is still there? We had the box. We were talking about coming down to the box this morning, if I can find it. Okay, it's in the video. Doesn't matter. Whatever. I don't need... Whatever. Doesn't matter. Listen. We were talking about coming down to the box earlier in the morning. And then this morning, I did leave an update in my Scalps channel. Guys, this is my VIP Discord. The link is in the description if you want to join. You get my calls. You get my real-time updates. You get VIP live streams. You get VIP video updates. You get Q&As. I'm in here all the time with you guys, getting my hands dirty with you guys when it comes to trading. And so you can see this morning, I did, look, you literally can't make this up. We hit it from the exact low. And I told you guys at 8:59 this morning, which was when that happened, that move happened, I am long from the box with the naked daily point of control with my stop loss under the low. If I take a loss, oh well. Okay, so guys, if you want to join the #1 trading network, listen, everybody says that they have the #1 trading network, but I actually do. Okay, I actually do. We sing, man. We got good energy in there. Anyways, if you want to join, the link's in the description. I'm not here to show you. Why was I confident in this move? While we were consolidating earlier today and we were up here at these lows, first of all, objectively, we weren't at the lows. We weren't like the range wasn't like that quite yet. The range was actually looking like this, but we had a couple things that we needed to take note of. Number one, we were struggling very much so at the highs of the range. Okay, prior to right now, just taking out the highs of the range, we were struggling to take the highs of the range. Okay, so that's already not a good sign. Now, if you are counting your Wyckoff schematic and you're looking out for your Wyckoff schematic, you can see that we had our tap 1, we had our tap 2, and we were potentially waiting for our tap 3, which could have came really anywhere, right? We don't know where the tap 3 is going to come, whether it's going to be the higher high or higher low rather, or the lower low. Okay, we don't know. But when price starts to come up to the high of the range and then it really struggles, like it doesn't really give us a nice move to the upside, you could say, all right, it makes more sense to come to the low. Why else could we have imagined that we were going to actually come down to the low? Well, on top of the fact that we were in, look, we've hit this order block, right? We hit our order block, so we were already looking for longs, as I mentioned to my VIP members. And I already said that if we see significant time frame market structure flips, perhaps 5-minute, 10-minute market structure flips, we are going to be looking for longs. But when you are in an order block and you can identify significant other significant levels within your order block, it is very likely that we are going to make our way down to those other significant levels. What were those significant levels? We had a naked daily point of control here at 6773. Okay, so we were watching this and I've been screaming this in my VIP for quite some time now. So shout out to Nonstop Ty, who says VIP has so much value. Don't take it from me, take it from the people, guys. Ben, I am from Toronto, Canada, bro. I am from Toronto, Canada. Okay, so we already knew we had a naked daily point of control there. Now that we hit it, we can remove it. We don't need it anymore on our chart. In addition to our order block that has already been mitigated, we had an unmitigated portion of the larger order block, which was, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, was a 1-hour order block. Yeah, this was our 1-hour order block, which was our gold, not golden pocket, but our gold zone here that we were looking out for. This is why we took the trade. This has now been mitigated. It is old news, okay? It is old news. Now, the thing about trading, excuse me, the thing about trading is it is very contingent on what happens. Guys, you cannot just say this is going to happen, that is going to happen. You have to trade based on the information that is given to you, and we are given new information all the time, okay? Literally in real time, we are getting new information. So what do we do now? Now, because we left the range and we came back to our range, we're going to extend our range and we are going to simply just continue to play the range as we did. We just, on a higher term time frame, SFP'd the range high. So everybody that was short prior to this morning has likely been stopped out now, at least all of the scalpers. And now we're gonna I'm basically building the narrative for you in real time to decide what's gonna happen next. So we don't need this anymore because it's already played out. We already hit it. Okay, the point in which at 10:45, which was around here, the point in which I made the thumbnail and I was confident enough to tell you that, hey guys, this is probably a fake out, was at this point right here. Why was I watching for this morning? Once again in my VIP section, for the ones that missed the long on the lows, guys, I want to show you that you can enter many times, okay? Like, it doesn't, not many times, but you can enter, like, if you miss the initial move, it doesn't mean you can't get in and you have to put your stop all the way at the low. Not at all, okay? So this morning I also said, all right guys, for the ones that missed this initial move, you can get in here. What did we get here? As we came in to this level right here on the lower term time frames, on this 5-minute on the 5-minute order block that we had here, okay, we didn't actually get the confirmation with structure to long until way later. But sometimes what I do, and I didn't actually add to my position, but if you come on lower term time frames and you start seeing the divergences and the money coming up, and you know your order flow objective is to, for example, take the high of the range, guys, it is perfectly okay to take losses. So in this instance, if you wanted to take, I don't want to say a gamble because it wasn't a gamble, but if you wanted to take the chance, we'll call it a calculated gamble to enter on this remitigation of the order block, you could have done so. And especially once we had our market structure flip on these lower term time frames, I don't suggest ever using the 5 or the 15 second or whatever the case is, but once we had a confirmed market structure flip, you could have easily entered long and put your stop beneath this wick low that happened here and rode it up. Okay, so that's why I had this 5-minute pending line. I also mentioned that if this line was going to be broken, then I would exit my longs. And this is a very good example of what I mean by when I say we have to play the market based on the information that's given to us. So if we broke below this 5-minute low, broke candles below this guy here, then I would have gotten out of my positions, but we didn't. We actually SFP'd it, meaning that this here was our target. We absolutely hit our target. Now we are holding our range-based demand over here. And just as you could have gotten in down here on this yellow box, which we don't need anymore, you can now get in anywhere in this red box. If I make it red, you can now get in anywhere here because this is our new range-based demand, okay? I'm not looking to add to my longs because I'm already in my longs, but what I am interested in for sure is to follow the market structure. And currently, our 5-minute low resides right here. So, just like we did over here, if we close 5-minute candles below 69,208, I will look to take profits on my positions. If we do not, then I have no interest in taking profits. And right now on market Cipher B, you can see that on the 5-minute time frame, we started to have money flow coming in. So we could potentially hold this level, and we are going to have to pay attention to what's going on here. Now we do have levels to the upside that we're going to talk about, not we can talk about. But before we even talk about these squares, which I will be looking for shorts in these areas, but I'm going to right now, that's more scalping stuff. I want to bring your attention to one very easy thing to look at right now, which is this level of liquidity, okay? Not level of liquidity, but this liquidity in the chart. We have a lot of liquidity above us that we can take, okay? This is objectively an ugly move to the downside because all of these lower lows and lower highs, none of them took out their previous highs. So there was never liquidity swept on this entire move to the downside, meaning that we can absolutely continue higher. Not only that, but we actually ever so slightly front ran this naked daily point of control at $73,000, okay? So listen, later today, I have a video that I have to make after this stream. I have a video that I am going to be creating and posting for you later today, talking about this all-time high, okay? Because we were talking about coming back up to the all-time high when we were down here at $63,000 before I went to Miami, okay? So we've been talking about this all-time high, and I want to, I believe I have a good indication of what might come next in regards to this all-time high, and I believe that I have a good indication as to what might happen at this all-time high. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss the video because it might be a time-sensitive video. And I have I think I have a pretty good understanding of what's going on here, okay? But I want to bring your attention to this liquidity curve. And so, if this news event is going to be a fake out, which we know that it can be, we know that it happens all the time, then now is the time, in my opinion, to potentially come back up and make our way back to the all-time high. So if we hit an all-time high tomorrow, for example, then you guys need to have watched my video today. So again, make sure the subscribe button, make sure the like button. Now, by the way, guys, I know I got carried away with the interview, and we're at 100 likes though, so we are gonna do the giveaway. Okay, I promise we're gonna do the giveaway at the end of the stream here. Okay, we are gonna do the giveaway. But right now, we saw that we had that move to the downside, which was a potential fake out. What did we see on Market Cipher as we were making that move to the downside? Well, as we were making our low, you could see on Market Cipher B, which is this indicator on the bottom, if you don't know, that we were actually getting a bullish divergence. And you can see here, okay, look at what's going on. We got a bunch of vectors all of a sudden, meaning that this was a manipulated move to the downside. Then we had a blue stopping volume candle, taking out the low one last time, and up we go. Okay, so if market makers were limit longing on this entire move to the downside, while market Cipher B was giving us that bullish divergence, then that is a good indication that we can continue higher right now because we had that bullish divergence. And remember, on the 4-hour time frame, we still have thick green money flow. We are probably getting a cheat sheet entry. I wouldn't be surprised if it is a cheat sheet entry. I'm not gonna actually go and pull up my my EMAs because I don't think it's necessary for me building the narrative here. But we absolutely are expecting, just as we did 2 weeks ago when I was in the airport telling you guys, we're probably gonna come to an all-time high. I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but I do believe I have a good understanding as to what is going on here in the long run. Okay, so we know that on the daily time frame, we've been talking about this. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Yes, we have a red dot on the daily time frame. Am I too worried about it? As of right now, no. And the reason why is because of the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. I have swing longs from a lot lower. I am also going to continue to scalp, so I don't care if price goes up or down. I am long and I am short 90% of the time, so it don't matter to me. Okay, it doesn't matter to me. But I am eventually expecting price to come up and take the high one more time, because the number one rule when it comes to market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Was that enough? Was that enough? So I am in my longs. I told my VIP members that I'm in my longs. Right now, in my opinion, this is the most important level you need to watch for Bitcoin. Okay, is this 5-minute line? Because if we break this 5-minute line with clear conviction, okay, I don't want to see a little baby break. I don't want to see a candle close like this. I don't want to see this. This is no good to me. I don't like this. Don't want to see that. I want to see a nice candle close. Then I will take profit on my scalps. But for now, things are looking bullish, baby. And like I said, if there's ever a move that can take us to the all-time high, it's a nice CPI fake out, because we know that we've had a few cracks already at this all-time high. And as Randy said, the selling pressure is just not really there. Every time we come up, yes, we are getting rejections, but our rejections are becoming less and less each time. And I do believe that we're going to crack that all-time high. Now, what's going to happen at that all-time high? I'm going to tell you this. I am taking profits. Okay, I'm telling you guys this right now in confidence. I am taking profits on every single position that I have at the all-time high. I am going to be selling probably. I'm going to, again, remember, I have to make sure that I am following the data that's presented to me in real time, right? So I can't tell you how things are going to look, if they're going to be bullish or bearish by the time if we get to the all-time high, because we won't know how the price action got us there. We won't know how it looks, right? But I'm going to tell you this, currently right now, and this is going to coincide with my video that I'm going to make after this stream. Currently right now, if we come up and we take the all-time high, I am going to take profits on every single one of my positions. I am very likely going to sell a pretty big bag of my crypto, altcoins included, after an altcoin season, which we talked about in the last stream. And I am going to be looking for giga shorts, okay? Now, this is not going to be an exact stop loss, but just to give you an idea, let's say anywhere between 74 and 80K. Anywhere between 74 and 80K, I am going to be looking for absolute giga shorts. I think that we can either SFP the high, or we can range here. If we range here, this is not bullish in the slightest, okay? I don't think it's gonna be bullish at all if we range there. If we SFP, it's also not bullish. Like, we need to really break out with conviction, which you can see that traders just haven't really been interested in buying Bitcoin up here at these prices, okay? So the selling pressure is not really working, If you're a retail trader, which I'm not, right? I preach against this every single day. Okay, I preach against it because you know that I believe, if 95% of retail loses, why the hell would you trade like retail, right? Why would you draw this? But if you are retail right now, you would be drawing this, like, I guess what they're gonna say is rising triangle or whatever it's called, ascending triangle. And I guess this breaks to the upside most of the time. Sure, but as long as this liquidity remains intact, I'm gonna be looking for giga shorts at the all-time high. Shout out to Drew that says, Randy said only up. Yeah, man. Listen, she said $690,000. I don't know if I agree with that. I don't remember the number that I said. It was like 9.4 something. But we'll see who's right and who's wrong. Guys, do me a solid. Hit the like button for me if you haven't done so already. I'm Hey, let's go. All right, Bitcoin's actually taking a little bit of a dump right here. Halving is in 10 days. Yeah, the halving is apparently in 10 days. I don't know. I don't know about the halving. All right, so let's see what happens here. So the 5-minute time frame. Did the 5-minute close? 5-minute did not close yet. So I will look to take... Actually, will I? That's not even the 5-minute close. Or the 5-minute low. I totally lied. That's literally not even the 5-minute low. Oh, wait. No, I'm on the 10-minute. Yeah, that is the 5-minute low. So we're going to see what happens here in 1 minute and 39 seconds. Zach says he thinks 120K. Guys, do me a solid right now. I'm going to go pee real quick. And I'm going to ask you all the same question that I asked Miss Hipper. What is, in your opinion, the exact dollar figure high that you think Bitcoin is going to see for this cycle? Okay. My guess was like 9.4 something. I'm going to have to go back and clip it. I'm going to go pee real quick because I've been drinking this thing. Drop me what you think to the dollar, literally to the dollar, what you think the exact high is going to be. I'll be right back. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. Oh, damn, this is a banger. And tonight, when love goes over. When love takes over. All right, let me see what you guys are saying. What do you guys think the exact dollar amount is? 86666, 83K, 121, 89.2, 96 or 6969, 134, 84671. Damn. Is that the high right now? Oh no, that's not the high right now. 100K is forbidden. Guys, listen. Look, I mean, I could be off. I think 100K is going to be so hard to break. Like, so hard to break. Maybe it's just me. Like, the amount of selling that's going to be there. I don't know, man. I think it's going to be really hard to break. To answer your question, 5-minute SFP. I mean, it's looking like we're getting some 5-minute SFPs right now. So I'm not closing any positions just yet. Let's take a look at Ethereum and see what Ethereum is doing relative to its 5. Okay, so no, Ethereum's 5-minute low is actually down here. Actually here, this is Ethereum's 5-minute low. So we're gonna keep an eye on Ethereum's 5-minute low as well. It's pretty far away, so we're gonna wait right now. No, actually change your answer. BitBoy said 1 million. That must be it. $1 billion. You think 100K you mean inevitable? You mean inevitable? I think it's gonna be very hard, man. If we make it, it's definitely not gonna be on this push up. I think we're gonna come take all-time high one more time, potentially. And then we're gonna dump down to like, we'll see, man. I think 53K is inevitable. I think 53K is gonna be very easy to get to. I don't think it's gonna be hard at all. 53K after whenever this range breaks, I think we're gonna SFP the high. Then we're gonna come down to 53K. And then at 53K is where we're going to decide. Actually, I think we're going to chill at 53K for like a month. And then I think we're going to come all the way down to like 40K-ish. And then I think we might black swan to 30K and then up. But that's way too in the future. All right, bro, can I do the giveaway right now? Yeah, let's do the giveaway now. By the way, guys, thank you very much for hitting the like button for me. Once again. Ooh, it's a good song. I want to love you. All right. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for hitting the like button for me. Thank you guys for coming through, man. I told you guys I would do the giveaway before before the stream, and you guys are fair. So here's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna do the giveaway. You already know what we do when we do the giveaways. We're gonna do what we do when we do the giveaways. So guys, I'm gonna give it 1 minute, bro. I'm just gonna say it one more time because of the people that might be coming in. Guys, we're doing a giveaway right now for one of my boot camps, okay? Every 100 likes, I give away one of my boot camps. We got 4 boot camps right now that are available. And so all you gotta do to enter the giveaway is head over to this YouTube video, drop a comment. Doesn't matter what you say, but it has to have like a building emoji or like the, what's the bitch's name where she holds the thing? Not the Leaning Tower of Pisa. What is that? The Statue of Liberty. Like something about New York, okay? Something about New York. You got to do, all right? You got to do it. And then make sure you like the video. And I'm going to do it because my guys got to go to sleep in 2 minutes here. 2 minutes here. We are going to do the giveaway. And in the meantime, while we do the giveaway, you could type Randy Hipper, yeah. If you want to type Randy Hipper, you could type Randy Hipper. If you like it, if you want to. Whatever you want to type, don't care, but it has to have a thing. And, you know, we're going to do what we do here on this channel because I'm actually fun and other crypto people are boring and they suck. All right, guys, everybody go right now. Do that. And let's give away some boot camps, man. Let's give away some boot camps. Everybody go, go, go. How many are we at right now? Let's see. Let's go. Pump it, pump it. Come on, baby. Everybody go, go, go. Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. We got 40 comments. Go, 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 go. Unhappy young man, there's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough and you stay there. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ways to have a sing it with me. Let's go. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Get everything on the nose. You can hang with all the boys. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Oh yeah. Guys, we're doing a giveaway here. Listen, we're doing a giveaway here. We're doing a giveaway here in literally 30 seconds. So make sure that you go to that video, drop a like, drop a comment, and then we're gonna get back to our TA here. And yeah, baby, Bitcoin is not dropping. Let's go. Got to know this one day. That's when you didn't know. I said, young man. I said, go there. They can help you today. Go, 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 go. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can have everything for the young man, girl. You can hang out with all the boys. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the. All right, we're doing the giveaway. We are doing the giveaway. Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said I was getting down with the blues. I said no man, kid, if I were alive. Come on now, let's go. World was so tight. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man. All right, guys, the winner of the giveaway is you back on your way. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my God, it's fun to stay at the YMCA. Yo, that is so crazy, bro. Standing with all the boys. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Yo, that is actually so crazy. Bro, congratulations. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know what the story behind this is. YMCA. is so wild. You guys don't even know. The guy that had to go to sleep because it was 3 a.m. or whatever, he's the one that won. Bro, congratulations. I know you are, but listen, open up a ticket in the Discord. Let us know which boot camp you want. Man, congratulations, bro. That is crazy that just happened. The stars just aligned for you, bro. That is insanity. That is crazy. Congrats, though, brother. Congratulations. Thriller night. That is so crazy, dude. That is insane. Bro, I'm actually so happy for you, man. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. That is amazing. By the way, I'm sorry, guys. While I was talking to Randy, I have 2 super chats, and I don't know how to go back and find them. So I'm very sorry, but whoever super chatted me, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry that I missed your comment. I don't know how to go and look at it. Yo, that's crazy, Josh. That's actually crazy. That is actually nutty. Nutty. All right, so let's take a look at what Bitcoin's doing locally, right? Look at this 5-minute money flow we got coming up right here on Market Cipher B. We actually got golden nuggets. Okay, we got a golden nugget here on Market Cipher B, and we are failing to close below the 5-minute low. So hello, baby. Send it up, baby. Let's go. Send it higher. Send it higher, because this is Thriller night. Guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And so, here we are. And by the way, if you guys want some altcoins, let me know which altcoins you want. I'll take a look at a couple alts for you here for the next like 20 minutes before I get gone. Oh, it was Arctic? Bro, Arctic, if you're still here, man, thank you very much. I appreciate you, bro. I don't know if, can you guys see that it's him? Did he write anything? I can't see it. I don't know how to check that. It's close to midnight. Something evil is lurking through the door. You try to scream. Money don't sleep, baby. Let's go. Money doesn't sleep. You know what? Yeah, man, Ethereum is dropping. Not only is Ethereum dropping, but Ethereum is probably heading its way down to the value area low. But I'll tell you this, Ethereum's 5-minute low is all the way down here. So Ethereum is allowed to drop. I'm not super bearish yet. Now, I'm long from way lower. So if we start to break down, I'll just take profits still. But we're going to be watching these in tandem, right? We're going to be watching these in tandem. Bitcoin is doing a very good job right now of holding. And any closes, like I want to see a significant hold. Now, remember, they work in tandem. So, you know, perhaps Bitcoin, if Bitcoin... Yeah, this is definitely the 5-minute low. Where's our 10-minute low? 10-minute low is all the way down here. So, you know, now is where like the question is, you know, do we prioritize the 5 or the 10? And you know what I'll probably end up doing is if the 5 closes significantly below, then I will take profits and I will look to re-enter. Because I don't care about my entry. Like, I don't care about getting a better entry. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care about it. Or maintaining my entry. I will absolutely add to my position if that means making more money. I do not care. Josh said, would love to see ETH drop to that right now. No, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Are the longs still strong? Let's take a look at if the longs are still strong. Hold on real quick. Nima says, hey, bro, just want to let you know that you really helped me learn to read Market Cipher V after using it for years. Yo, Nima, that makes me so happy, man. Or woman. Congratulations. And thank you very much for that comment. I really appreciate the love, and I'm glad that I could have I could have helped here. Shouts out to Abjeet. Mad love, bro. Good night. I hope that you can sleep well knowing that you got a boot camp waiting for you tomorrow. All right, what was I about to check? Oh yeah, are the longs still strong? Okay, so let's take a look if the longs are still strong. Let's take a look if the longs are still strong. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna take a look at what we see here on exo charts. Okay, so we're still chilling above the VWAP. Okay, we're chilling above the VWAP. After we had, let's actually analyze what we had at the lows here. So we had our lows. Okay, the lows were I mean, a lot of people got stuck. A lot of people got stuck here at the lows. Yeah, a lot of people shorted the lows. But we are actually objectively on a decrease of open interest, which, if you don't know what that means, essentially we're just getting a short squeeze. This whole move to the upside is a short squeeze. We're not actually getting any new longs in. Let me open up my net longs. Yeah. So we're not really getting our... We actually had a lot of longs at the lows. Interesting. Not a lot, but we had some longs opening up at the lows. We had a lot more shorts opening up at the lows. But right now, we're not getting that follow through with the longs. So no, I would not say that this is a strong move to the upside at all. I actually believe now that we can take a look at... Now that we see what's going on here, you know, we come on the higher term time frame here. You know, we did just basically SFP the range, right? Like, this was our range high prior to now just taking the high. This was our range high. It was this guy here. So we did just SFP that, right? Which, technically speaking, means this is the low that is now going to be kind of in play. So let's take a look at how our positions are doing and make a judgment call as to whether or not we want to take profits here. Now, we've already taken profits, so I'm not tripping. But yeah, I mean, technically, now we're breaking below the 5-minute low. ETH is kind of coming down as well. It's not really the sign that we would like to see for a continuation, right? We're not getting those longs coming in right now. We need the longs to step in for a significant move here, right? But now, I mean, objectively, we do just extend our range. We know that we could target the low of the range now. Either way, you should have been looking for shorts at the highs of the range. We already know that. That's a normal thing. So we'll see what happens here on this 5-minute. This was just a squeeze. Yeah, this was a squeeze. So the squeeze part of it is good. But now the question is, are we going to have the continuation? And in order to have the continuation, we need the longs to start coming in. And, you know, we obviously have all this liquidity that we can come and grab. So I'll tell you what I would imagine to happen right now. Nothing is for sure. But if I was, like, this is what I would expect, okay? If I was a market maker and I wanted price to continue higher, what I would do is I would hold price here. I would start to range, okay? I would start to range. I would, you know, drop price a little bit aggressively. Red vector candles, right? To induce traders into thinking that we're going to continue lower. Trap the traders that are market FOMO shorting, and then rip the price up to continue going higher. So basically the same thing that we saw down here is what I would want to see here for a continued move to the upside. I would want to see these traders getting trapped, you know, little consolidation, and then up we go. And then this time on the up we go, we would want to see the follow through, right? Now we don't actually have to go down. We don't have to go down because the people that shorted here that are underwater, we would allow them to get out of their positions in the event that we brought price all the way back down here. So we wouldn't actually want that. What we would want to do is just very quickly here, like just down and then up, right? We wouldn't want price to go too far down. And objectively speaking, we do have range-based demand right over here. So for me, really, like the line in the sand is this 10-minute low. I definitely would not want the 10-minute low to go. It's possible, but I wouldn't want it to. You know, perhaps we get a red vector candle into the zone and then out and then shift out. Perhaps at the 50% line is what I would want to see for a continued move to the upside. Other than that, I do believe we're probably going to come back down and probably head towards some of these levels that we have lower. Okay, but for now, I mean, it's looking okay. It's looking decent. I definitely wouldn't want to lose this low. If you lose this low, it's not a very good sign. I wouldn't even want to touch this low, to be honest with you. But we'll see, man, because as price action develops is where we know whether or not we need to get out or whatever, because we don't know right now, right? We are given new information at all times, always. So we shall see. Bro, what's 10-minute low and 5-minute low? It's basically just market structure. All it is just market structure. Like if you're following market structure from the low, we have here we had a flip in market structure, okay? And we have high, low, high, but this is the 10-minute low and this is the 5-minute low. And we're not really breaking the 5-minute low, which is more of a bullish sign. And remember, on Ethereum, your 5-minute low is much lower, right? Much, much lower. So we'll see what happens here. They work in tandem, remember. So we'll see. Money flow is still thick in the green on Market Cipher on the 5-minute time frame. And we do have this liquidity now that is being built up here. So we could continue higher. We could. That's why it's important to watch and analyze price action as it develops. Anyways, guys, if you are just joining me, basically to sum up the entire stream, we had a fake out today, basically. And the thumbnail was uploaded at 10 a.m., so you had plenty of time to know that it was a fake out. I don't know. I think we go higher. I personally believe that that this low is protected here. We are at today's and yesterday's point of control. Let's take a look. I'm gonna do it on Binance just because the chart is cleaner. Like I don't have stuff here. Greetings from Germany. Greetings from Toronto. What's up, brother? That drop was a stop run. I kind of agree. Geo order blocks or fair value gaps? What do you mean? Like, what do I prefer better? Is that what you're asking? Yeah, that's kind of a good observation. We do actually have yesterday's and today's point of control. I mean, you could even argue. So look at this. Wow, I didn't even realize this. Maybe I should start paying attention to this. But look at this. We have 3 points of controls in a row, and that's basically where we bounced from. That's interesting. That would have been a good confluence with my order blocks. Not that we didn't literally call the exact low anyways. We were off by $19. Right? Not that we literally didn't call that low anyway, but nonetheless, it would have added confluence. Would have absolutely. We are above previous day low. Yeah, we're way above previous day low. We are way above previous day low. Let's see what TPO is saying. The problem is we don't have good lows here. We have kind of ugly lows. Not kind of ugly lows. We have very ugly lows. So we could come down again. We'll have to monitor it though. What do I prefer? I prefer order blocks that have fair value gaps. Basically both. I prefer order blocks with imbalance. Essentially is my answer. So let's come back and let's take a look at what's going on here. Like this, for example, guys, is not a clean enough break for me. I'm not gonna sit here and say that that's my break. It's not good enough. So I'm not taking profit yet. $67K was the golden pocket. Here, order gaps, yeah. Yeah, it was the golden pocket. Well, I will tell you guys this. I'm long from... I have 2 longs right now. One from 68.6 and the other from 67.8. And I think the 67.8 is the one that's in the thumbnail. So here, I'll show you. Even though I've been showing these lately, I don't think I'm gonna keep showing them, but so this is my first one. These are my first positions that I have going on. Okay, so total unrealized 1,700, and then this is the long that. This is the nice one. Entry 67847 right here. That's the nicer one. But yeah, I mean, I don't. You know, I've been showing my P&Ls lately, and I've been sharing them on Twitter and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna do that for much longer, because really it's not your business. It's not anybody's business what I'm making. Shouts out to Sky. What did we work out today? Today was Boulder Day, baby. Hold on. I'll show you. I won't tell you. I'll show you. I will show you. That's what we worked out today, bro. Today was boulders. Josh says don't. I think it's going up now. Closer eats short. Yeah, I mean, I'm not in any shorts right now. I don't think. Actually, I have one Bitcoin short. Actually, my Bitcoin short got stopped out at a way profit. So Josh, show some love by hitting the like button. No worries, I will hit the like button. Thank you, Mark. Summer is coming, bro. And nobody's allowed to be fat. Nobody. Hit the double bicep. So don't you dare look back. Should we get the money song? Yo, let's get the money song going. Y'all know my money song. Come on. You guys want me to pump it up right now? Let's pump it, baby. Come on. Yo, chat, listen. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Second of all, if you are new here, I need my OGs to come through for me right now. We're going to do one of our old school tricks right now. And guys, if I provided you value in any way, shape, or form, I made your life better, whatever it is. Let me see those money bag emojis in the chat right now. Let's get it. Money bags, money bags, money bags.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money.
That's not a rumor, bro. That's the truth.
Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money.
Bet, bro, bet, done. We're bringing back the money song every day.
Let's get money, motherfucker.
No. Trying to see the chart. No, it's soft form. All right, Gio, any thoughts on the green vector candle on the monthly time frame? Yeah, let's talk about it. Let's come on the monthly time frame. Let's get money, motherfucker, yeah, money. Okay. I do have thoughts about this. Absolutely. These are my thoughts. This is my thoughts on these levels here. Guys. If you think that we are not going to see 50K again, you are in for a rude awakening. That's all I gotta say, bro. All I gotta say. I think if we take the high, if we go all-time high one more time, I'm gonna say this like super slow, because I want the people that have not been here all the time to understand what I'm about to say. I didn't get them at Toys R Us. I got them during the fake virus because everything was closed and they didn't have any real weights, all right? Jeez. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. For the people that are new, might not know, listen. If you think that 50K or 40K is off the table, you are in for a rude awakening. That is all I need to say. I would literally bet my entire, like my literal existence that we're gonna see 53K again. And if we take the high, it is going to be the most bearish thing for crypto. The next time we take all-time high is going to be your last all-time high for the entire summer. Next, we go all-time high, and then we go down and sideways for at least 3 to 4 months, at least. Sell in May, walk away. Don't even feel any FOMO. Like, I'm telling you, if we go all-time high again, I am selling so much because I'm not stupid. That looks like it coincides with our Giga short. Yeah, man. Like, again, if we take all-time high, I'm gonna look for... Dude, you guys have no idea how hard I'm gonna short it. And you guys think I'm loud now when I'm up 500 bucks, and I'm like when I'm up 500 bucks and I'm like chirping like a little chihuahua, like, wait for me to scream at the top of my lungs, this shit is going to 30K when it's at like 80. Just wait. Mark Dutch is everywhere. Shouts out to Mark Dutch. Those vector candles for the win. Mark, bro, let's get Tino on the channel. Or let me just say hi to him. Yo, listen, actually, all jokes aside, not that I was joking before anyways, but actually, dead ass, yo, listen, somehow, some way, Tino, if you're watching this, hello, my friend. You changed my life, bro. So, whether it's a collab or not, I know he's very particular. I just want to tell him thank you, because he truly changed my life. Dead ass, Tino changed my life. Just like Jay changed my life. Tino changed my life. Joke, Gio, you know I love you. I'm just jealous of those biceps. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I love you too, bro. People trying to short the top just may give us the blow off top. Yeah, I mean, look, we don't really, this doesn't look like a top to me. It very well could have, right? On the weekly time frame, you can see this wick was nice. This could have been an all-time, like a high, but then it just got bought back up. And we know that as of lately, things have just been like super bullish because of the ETF narrative, and then now because of the halving, right? Like, look at how this candle could have been like this one and then down. Could have been like this one and then down, but we didn't go down. So now this doesn't look like a top because we've spent way too much time here. Wow, man, you're doing that for us, what they did for you. You know what I was, thank you guys. Thank you guys, I appreciate y'all. You know what I was telling, I want to get Jay on the channel for that reason. Like, I am hearing from you guys now the same things that I was saying, like, about Jay when I was learning. And I'm like, man, he makes it look so easy, like this, that, whatever. And now, like, you guys are saying that about me, and it's just, it's
Set my heart